Big news, I've moved to St. Petersburg, Florida. Started my life here, just went through training for a month in St. Louis. I am so excited. I'm gonna start doing pretty regular vlogs out here because there's so much good content. I'll be volunteering at animal rescues, trying all the vegan food, and just exploring in general. For the first vegan meal, I wanna show off, this is from Love Food Central in downtown St. Pete. They make their own homemade veggie burgers, and it's got like a really nice mushroom saute, and then you can see they put on this great sauce. This is Tilly. She's such a cutie. She's a little wiener dog, and she's my roommate's dog, and I love her so much. Alright, so we're at Golden Dinosaur here in, what's this place? Gulfport, Florida. It's right next to St. Pete. We got some special guests on the show. Of course, we got the reoccurring character, Micah.
Oh yeah.
Roommate, aka Big Chungus.
Food all over my
aka my FlexJet sim partner. Then we got Lucas here.
What's up?
This is your first time trying it. He got the steak and cheese sandwich.
Okay.
Oh, curry.
Okay.
What do you think?
I'm for it. I don't eat
liking it?
vegan food ever. Like, this is probably my first ever legitimate vegan restaurant.
Yeah.
And I think it's delicious, man.
Oh, that's
I'm
awesome.
enjoying it.
Micah, how's your buffalo tempeh?
It's very good.
Yeah?
It is, yeah, delicious. I wouldn't say identically, it's got its own flavor, but like in a really good way. Like,
yeah.
It's, you know, like I can see myself preferring this over a buffalo chicken sandwich every now and then, you know.
Yeah, I hear that. I hear that. All right, so then I got the buffalo chicken sandwich here. I love that they have waffle fries. Waffle fries are my favorite thing in the whole wide world. Here we go. All right, so this is the buffalo. They call this like the Big Dan or something. You remember what? But it's essentially like a buffalo chicken seitan. All right, here we go. Very good. Their seitan cutlet is excellent. They went thin with it, and I know why, because sometimes with seitan, if it's too thick, it gets real chewy in the middle, no flavor. This is like the perfect size. You get the crispiness, still very tender, and their sauces and vegan cheese. I'll make it up. 3 kisses, I give it. That's my new rating system.
How many kisses are you talking?
Oh, shit.
What's the maximum number?
Out of 10 kisses. No,
Out of 10?
no, I'm kidding. 3 out of 3.